Did you know that what you eat can actually make your body burn more calories? It's true. We're not talking about some crazy fad diet here, but specific foods that can actually give your metabolism a little nudge in the right direction. Metabolism is essentially the engine of your body, constantly converting the food you eat into energy. Faster metabolism means you burn more calories at rest, which can be a game changer for weight management and overall health. Now, you might have heard that eating anything slows down your metabolism. That's not entirely true. While digestion does require energy, some foods actually rev up your metabolism more than others. And that's what we're talking about today, the foods that can actually boost your metabolism and help you reach your health goals. Let's break it down. All right, let's kick things off with a fan favorite, green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, especially EGCG, which boosts metabolism. Along with caffeine, it enhances thermogenesis, burning calories. Studies show it increases calorie expenditure at rest and during exercise. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants fighting off cell damage. Swap soda for green tea and support your metabolism. Next up, let's talk about adding some spice to your life and your metabolism with chili peppers. If you're a fan of that satisfying kick, you'll be happy to know that chili peppers can actually fire up your metabolism as well. The magic ingredient here is capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their signature heat. Capsaicin works by temporarily increasing your body temperature, which in turn boosts your metabolic rate. It's like a natural workout for your cells. But wait, there's more. Capsaicin may also help curb your appetite and reduce calorie intake. Now, I'm not saying to go overboard and douse everything in hot sauce, but adding a touch of spice to your meals can have some surprising benefits. Think about adding some sliced jalapenos to your salads, a sprinkle of cayenne pepper to your soups, or even trying a spicy chili recipe. Just be sure to start slow, especially if you're not used to eating spicy foods. And hey, if you can handle the heat, chili peppers can be a delicious and exciting way to give your metabolism a little boost. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite morning pick-me-up, coffee. For many of us, coffee is non-negotiable to get our day started, and the good news is that it can actually do more than just wake you up. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that not only boosts alertness but also has been shown to increase metabolism and fat burning. That's right, your daily cup of joe can actually help you burn a few extra calories. Caffeine works by stimulating the release of adrenaline, which in turn signals your body to start breaking down fat stores for energy. It's like giving your metabolism a little caffeine kick. Now, it's important to note that the effects of caffeine on metabolism can vary from person to person, and it's always best to enjoy coffee in moderation. Too much caffeine can lead to jitters, anxiety, and trouble sleeping, which we definitely don't want. Stick to 1 to 2 cups a day and be mindful of how your body reacts. And remember, black coffee is always the best choice, as adding sugar and cream can negate the metabolism-boosting benefits. So enjoy your morning coffee guilt-free, knowing that it might just be giving your metabolism a little boost, along with your energy levels. Let's move on to a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits, ginger. This pungent root has a long history of use for its digestive and anti-inflammatory properties, but it also holds a secret power. It can boost your metabolism. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have thermogenic properties, meaning they can slightly increase your body temperature and help you burn more calories. It's like ginger is giving your metabolism a warm, comforting hug. In addition to its thermogenic effects, ginger can also aid in digestion. It does this by stimulating the production of digestive juices and helping food move more efficiently through your digestive system. This can further contribute to a healthier metabolism. There are so many delicious ways to incorporate ginger into your diet. You can add fresh ginger to smoothies, stir-fries, or soups. You can also enjoy it in tea, either freshly brewed with ginger slices or using ginger tea bags. And if you're feeling adventurous, try pickling ginger for a tangy and spicy treat. So embrace the power of ginger and let it add a flavorful boost to your meals and your metabolism. Now let's talk about a macronutrient that plays a crucial role in boosting your metabolism, protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, but it also has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats. What does that mean? Well, it means that your body burns more calories to digest and process protein than it does for other nutrients. This increased calorie expenditure can give your metabolism a noticeable boost. Aim to include a good source of protein in every meal. Think lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. These protein powerhouses will not only keep you feeling full and satisfied, but also help stoke the fires of your metabolism. In addition to its thermic effect, protein also helps preserve lean muscle mass, which is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, so the more muscle you have, the higher your metabolic rate. So make protein your best friend when it comes to boosting your metabolism and supporting your overall health goals. All right, let's talk about the most essential nutrient for life, water. We all know that staying hydrated is crucial for our overall health. But did you know that water can also temporarily boost your metabolism? It's true. Drinking water increases the amount of energy your body expends to heat it to body temperature. This process, called thermogenesis, requires your body to burn calories. Studies have shown that drinking cold water may enhance this effect even further, as your body has to work harder to bring the cold water up to its normal temperature. But the benefits of water don't stop there. Staying properly hydrated is also essential for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption, both of which play a role in maintaining a healthy metabolism. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. You can also add flavor to your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. So make sure you're drinking enough water to support your overall health and give your metabolism a refreshing boost. Last but not least, let's uncover the surprising metabolism-boosting properties of apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple has gained popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits, and its effects on metabolism are no exception. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to increase metabolism and promote fat burning in some studies. Acetic acid may also help regulate blood sugar levels, which can further support a healthy metabolism. Now, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the effects of apple cider vinegar on metabolism. However, incorporating it into your diet in moderation is unlikely to cause harm and may even offer some additional health benefits. Start by adding a tablespoon or two of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water or diluting it in salad dressings. You can gradually increase your intake as tolerated. Just be sure to choose raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother for the most benefits. So consider adding a splash of apple cider vinegar to your routine and see if it makes a difference in your metabolism and overall well-being. Keep that metabolism fired up. So there you have it, 7 incredible foods that can actually give your metabolism a boost. From the thermogenic power of green tea and chili peppers to the protein punch of lean meats and the hydrating effects of water, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a real difference in your overall health and well-being. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite metabolism-boosting foods? Share your go-to meals and snacks in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips and tricks, be sure to check out my video on the top 10 foods for a healthy gut. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health information and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Remember, small changes can lead to big results.